Hello everyone, so I've been thinking about a new project, and the project is to solve a problem. So all my keyboards are quite noisy, you can hear that, and when I'm in meetings and stuff it picks up very loud on the mics, which is not particularly convenient for obvious reasons. And I did buy what I thought would be a silent keyboard, but it didn't really work. It wasn't silent at all, and it was crap. So that wasn't a great success. And I remembered I had this thing, this is just the top plate and the PCB of it, which was a cheap mechanical keyboard that I bought ages ago for a second system that I no longer need, and it's been stuck in a box for quite some time. So I started just having a bit of a look at it to see what kind of condition it was in and whether it might be worth upgrading. So I took a few keycaps off, and it looks like it's either got Cherry MX Blues or some kind of third-party equivalent. The keycaps are pretty cheap, so they're very flimsy and pretty cheaply made. But the PCB is actually not bad. It seems to be quite well put together. The soldering on it is pretty high quality. And the other thing that's not bad is the plate is aluminium and the base is aluminium, so, or potentially steel, I guess. Metal anyway. So the plate and the base are both metal. So I'm wondering if it's sort of worth kind of refurbishing. So I've been looking online for a set of keycaps which would be better than these, and also some Cherry MX Browns or something similar, which would be close to silent and good for typing, where these are more kind of a gamer's keyboard. This one, which I use typing, which I like for typing, is, I think these are reds. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, so they're either Cherry MX Reds or some kind of equivalent that Corsair use. So they're not that quiet either, but it's pretty good. So yeah, I think I might do it. I've been looking around the UK to see if you can get mechanical keyboard kits where you can build your own keyboard. They seem to be quite hard to get hold of, often sold out. So I would be stuck with things like the existing stabilizers, and also desoldering all of this and resoldering new switches will be quite tedious, but it might be a fun project. So I'm thinking about taking the plunge, and maybe someone out there has got a better idea, but I'm certainly toying with the idea of buying the switches and the keycaps at least, and then either building a keyboard or refurbishing this one. Okay, I'll leave it there. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video.